situation with trains is a little bit critical because many people, and especially women, they will try to cross the border with children, and many people with their family try to go to the train, but it's not enough.
We saw online exist those trains that pass to Poland, because before I made this and maybe exist, but in fact no. We discovered that only will be for women and children if the train's coming, but they still sell some tickets online. Means I have my ticket here online, but in fact it's nothing.
When we wake morning, there's some shout, people shout, and everyone run to buy some food, and we hear some boom everywhere. And after that, we directly pack our bag and clothes and some documents, and we run to Vokzal.